Hey, food lovers! Welcome back to the channel where we explore the hidden gems of Indonesian cuisine. Today, we're diving into one of Indonesia's spiciest and most vibrant condiments, Sambal Ijo. You might think you know this green sambal, but today, we've got unknown facts about Sambal Ijo that will blow your mind. Let's spice things up. Sambal Ijo hails from West Sumatra, Indonesia, particularly from the Minangkabau ethnic group. Ijo means green in Javanese, reflecting the vibrant green color of the chilies used. Unlike most sambals, which use red chilies, Sambal Ijo is made from green chilies, giving it its distinct color and flavor. Sambal Ijo is generally milder than its red counterparts, making it more approachable for those who aren't spice lovers. The key chili used is the cabai hijau besar or large green chili, known for its fruity flavor. The paste is traditionally ground using a kobik, mortar, and ulakan, pestle, made of stone, which enhances its texture. After grinding the ingredients, they are steamed or sautéed, which mellows out the raw heat of the chilies. Not just a condiment. In Minangkabau cuisine, Sambal Ijo is often served as a side dish, not just a dipping sauce. It's the perfect accompaniment for Rendang, fried chicken, or grilled fish. Unlike Sambal Merah, Sambal Ijo has less tang because it uses less tamarind or lime juice. You'll find Sambal Ijo served in nearly every warung or restaurant serving Padang or Minangkabau food. The texture of Sambal Ijo is coarser compared to other sambals. It's not blended until smooth, keeping chunks of chili intact. It complements the dishes it's served with, rather than overwhelming them with spiciness. Shallots are a key ingredient, often added to the chili paste to enhance the flavor and sweetness. Sambal Ijo doesn't contain garlic, unlike many other sambals. To maintain its vibrant green color, the chilies are lightly boiled or steamed before being ground. A small amount of oil, often coconut or palm oil, is drizzled over Sambal Ijo after it's cooked to give it a glossy finish. Some recipes include daun jeruk, kaffir lime leaves, to give Sambal Ijo an extra burst of aroma. In some cases, Sambal Ijo is mixed with fish or chicken before grilling, adding a smoky depth of flavor. It's often served alongside grilled skewers, rice dishes, and street snacks in West Sumatra. Despite its spiciness, the green chili in Sambal Ijo has a cooling sensation compared to the heat of red chilies. Green chilies are packed with vitamin C, making Sambal Ijo a surprisingly healthy addition to meals. You can mix Sambal Ijo with vegetables like eggplant and cassava leaves for a spicy vegetable stir-fry. In some regions, Sambal Ijo is made with more lime juice for added tang, while others prefer a slightly saltier version. The green chilies have a slight peppery note compared to the sweeter and fruitier red chilies. Homemade sambal ijo can last for about a week in the fridge if stored in an airtight container. Though it originated in Sumatra, sambal ijo is now popular throughout Indonesia, especially in Javanese cuisine. Unlike some sambals that balance heat with sugar, sambal ijo traditionally contains no sweeteners. It's 100% plant-based, making it a great condiment for vegan or vegetarian diets. In Indonesia's famous nasi Padang, sambal ijo is always present alongside the many small dishes. Modern Indonesian chefs are now using sambal ijo in fusion dishes, pairing it with burgers, pizzas, and even pasta. Sambal ijo can be served either warm or cold, depending on preference, though many believe the flavors pop more when it's slightly warm. It's becoming a popular export product and can now be found in bottled form in international supermarkets. Some companies sell sambal ijo kits with pre-measured ingredients so you can make it fresh at home. Since it doesn't require frying the chilies, sambal ijo is considered a healthier sambal compared to others. It's a must-have at Minangkabau family gatherings and important celebrations. Unlike some chili pastes in Southeast Asia, sambal ijo is not fermented, so it retains a fresh, crisp flavor. Most Indonesians agree that store-bought sambal ijo can't compare to the homemade version, where the balance of ingredients is key. In some versions, green chilies are grilled before being ground, adding a subtle smoky note to the sambal. The chili aroma alone can make your mouth water, and it's said that just smelling sambal ijo can increase appetite. Those were unknown facts about sambal ijo. From its Minangkabau origins to its modern-day culinary fusion, this sambal is a true gem of Indonesian cuisine. If you love spicy food, give sambal ijo a try. It's a flavor experience you won't forget. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel.